Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly, description caption alam muting tagul ZU2. Today's video will be about my introduction. Kong ki introduction, kong ki introduce na lampak video ding ahi a. Then bang magil salawin atopika lutai diu. Then firstly, cái comment hi le ting thiên choi bui te or vai te hi but pani koi the mo bui te la kali vai pe te ke hi wa bai te mo bai te to bui te hi you to e ki hi hi la ke hi you pen kai o and ke gong ki patna hi le Scotland mo current living place hi le Scotland a hintin then actually I'm not with my parents, I'm with my grandparents because kanyo ki pachu kuti inahi ka hong khos to peka Scotland inahi ka hong khos to pe e le khu le ngai na tho ma that sao te le ngai na tho ji ka kha Scotland yung theng theng nu te le ngai lo le dik lo and kyo u now hi mi pali ka hiwa ke hi alin pen ka hi kanu hi nu me khat o ma ji ke nu ya nu me nu ya chu pasal khat o ma ji pasal pa nu ya chu nu me aneu pen khat o ma ke hi alin pen ka hi kanu me na hi le hoi mun kim a hin ke ka pa me na hi le linam so hi bui te mo kanua la malak ding hi la chu pam ngai te hin ka tin o but we take for my father's side so we take a hill then ke to lai ta hi class 8 ka sim lai ta hin tin the Phoenix Institute School Scotland mama current place chu wang hoi pai lele ang ki phu do na chu Scotland na hi mo lele mun compound yo khat aki sui lo nam ji ka kha ba hoi pai lama ki chon hi ji ka chu ke hi fa hoi pai lama school the Phoenix Institute Agape Rehabilitation Center thang lama ko kai ka hi ni tam zo hi nei mai the hello mai the le hi wa but I'm not that popular mo and ke hobby hi le singing or teaching something more me til kha teacher pang ho le ka tha nok chi ta hi chole aim in life ka nei lo chu ke bin crew a lo le doctor hi ka tup tin ta ne then sports lam hi athing de ge na chu kalung alut bek pui ma also outdoor lam chu kalung lut lo indoor lam chu kalung alut like quiz extempore speech essay writing competition ho hi ke ka u chi ta hi chule ke hi bang ti gen hem ken phatna le lo thin za la hin rank 1 ho kong to zep zepa hin la tu chung first quarterly exam a hi khat ve kong fail a math a hin khat ve kong fail a math te ka tha se tha dai ngai mo khutin din ka solve pe ngai lo ka math chu no mai le to hi bang begin ham math apoi mo danong ki hedo do in so I think that I began to love math and the easiest subject I felt is grammar hintin also subject la ka doi pen mo ka doi pen ting like science to English to grammar pathum set I can't choose more amount ching thum phrasing in tin to like the hi music class akapang in tin ke school mama khu advanced class le ma music class le ma dancing class le ma football class le ma zi football class thu chung ki gen thuk de le football class hi to academy league hi 2025 adinga hi TPI de the Phoenix Institute de le pangu ahat zeu now mo that's God's grace then again favorite cookie actress I guess I'll go with Florence Vipe. Then secondly favorite cookie actor I'll go with Albert and Stefan. I can't choose both of them. They were both good, and the actresses I would like to choose Ruth Tungdim and Florence Ype. Both I can't choose over them. So favorite cookies, gospel singer Hile, um, Kim Nay Ning, Kim Get, and Vợ Bùi Linh Hong Sai. That that two. Adang ho cho a team pui katinay lo mo kay kangay thana kong kay may hi favorite cookie gospel singer male female male hi la chu thang zalin ta chu tu khu se mang bay sa pa kha azot ama chu to se min thang te ni chu mai de dressing ngay ching le thi mai oh guys dressing ngay ching ku o ku melodious lu Mizoram take singer khat to le ki puna khat mo oh wow very sweet very soft mai please not it and la adang ge long ka den lai what should I say next eh favorite cookie drama ting leng the favorite cookie drama hi Lay Levanto when a moon is low khai rock left way then I don't want to talk about that side more. mm, and I hope you will guys support me in my hard days and my slow days and so partially so please subscribe share like comment and uh don't dislike it oh guys please that's the best you can do for me and Kalim happens and we can develop our cookie society in this area and I will and also be serious in your studies and I would like to grant some wishes a very well wishes uh, to all of the guys who will be having exam in your next month or next year and so okay guys I love you all please support me bye